We'll guide you through how to contact Stripe customer support using the most current methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the Help section, which you can find at the upper right side of the dashboard or under the menu on the left. Click on Help to open the support page. Here, you'll see a range of resources like documentation and FAQs that might address your issue. But if you need to reach out directly to customer support, scroll down until you find the Contact US option. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a form to fill out. You'll need to enter your name, email address associated with your Stripe account, and a detailed description of the issue you're experiencing. Make sure to provide as much information as possible to help the support team understand your problem. Once you've filled out the form, click on the Send button, and your query will be forwarded to the Stripe support team. They typically respond within a few hours, but it might take longer during peak times. If you prefer live support, look for the chat option, which is available on the same support page. This allows you to start a live chat with a representative. The chat option is usually available during business hours, so keep that in mind. For urgent issues, consider using this feature for a quicker response. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.